Hey there, little artists. Welcome to the art world of MK. Today, we are going to draw and paint a yummy cake. Are you excited? I'll be using color pens and pencils, but guess what? You can use any colors you have at home, crayons, markers, even watercolor. Now, grab your drawing tools and let's get started. First, we need to draw the outline of our cake. Start with a big rectangle for the base. Then, let's add a wavy line on top to make it look like creamy frosting. Don't forget to add some candles or decorations if you want. Take your time. There's no rush. If you make a mistake, no worries, just try again. Now that our outline is ready, let's move to the fun part, coloring. For the cream on top, I'm going to use a nice purple color. But hey, you can use any color you like. Maybe blue, pink, or even rainbow colors. Be creative. For the rest of the cake, I'll use a bright red color. Remember to color neatly and stay within the lines. But most importantly, have fun. To make our cake look even yummier, let's add some details. I'll draw some lines on the side to make it look more realistic. You can also add sprinkles, hearts, or even a cherry on top. And there you go. Our beautiful, delicious-looking cake is all done. I had so much fun painting with you today. Now it's your turn. Show me your painting. I would love to see your colorful cakes. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more fun art projects. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.